Good morning, students. How are you? कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your places. And as you know that we were studying chapter number 2, the tsunami, from our book Honeydew English, right? We have completed the chapter and we have also done many comprehension check parts in all the 3 parts of the chapter. But today it's the time to take it in a PDF form and we'll be discussing the PDF with you along with the already explained question answers and the new question answers. Okay, so I hope you all are ready so that we can move on with the exercises. So yes, now we move to the question and answer section, part 1. So, part 1 comprehension check, that is on page number 27. Now, say whether the following are true and false. This we have already done, but we will repeat it once again. Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. We were already in touch with this statement that Ignatius has already lost his wife, his 2 children, and father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Is it true? Yes, it is true, because who were left? Only the 3 children who came along with him were left, and he himself. So this is the statement that is true. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. After the tsunami, did Sanjeev made it to safety? No, he was also washed away with the tsunami. So this statement is false. Third, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. Was Meghna was in relief or is saved by the helicopter? No, because she saw the helicopter many a times, but she was not saved by it. So this statement is also false. Almas' father realized that tsunami was going to hit the island. Is it true? Yes, because when he see the water receding back, and he also felt little tremors, so he realized that this water is going to come forward and hit back again with great force. So he was knowing and he realized that tsunami was going to hit the island. So yes, this statement is true. Now next, her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. The mother and aunt of Almas, they were washed away with the tree which they were holding on to. इस tree को वो पकड़ के खड़े थे, क्या वो उसके साथ wash away हो गए थे? Yes, because as the great forceful tsunami hit the tree was uprooted and they were washed away with the power of tsunami along with the tsunami. So this statement is also true. So next, now comes the part 2 comprehension check from page number 28. Now see, answer the following question. These are not true false. These are, we can say, a phrase form or simple sentence, one sentence answers. Question number 1. Why did Tilly's family came to Thailand? Tilly की family Thailand क्यों आई थी? Tilly's family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. वो Christmas को celebrate करने वहाँ पे आए थे. Question number 2. What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? क्या थे वो warning signs जो टिली और उसकी मदर ने दोनों ने देखे थे? Both saw the sea rise and it started to form whirlpools. Both of them saw that the sea water was rising, the level of the sea was rising, and also it started to form. The water started to form, so that it indicates that there were whirlpool inside the water. That is why water was forming. So water is not gentle. Okay, and it was also forming the whirlpool. So these 3 were the signs that were the warning signs which were seen by Tilly and her mother. Next, question number 3. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by these warning signs? No, Tilly's mother was not alarmed by them because she was only aware of the fact that Tilly is behaving a very awkward manner. So maybe something is not correct, but in exact form we can say that she was not alarmed by these warning signs. Next, question number 4. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Tilly have in earlier seen the sea behaving in the same strange manner in which it is behaving during the tsunami time. So where had she seen that? She had seen the strange sea behaving in a video. She has seen the sea behaving in a strange behavior, in a strange manner in a video. And that video was shown by the geography teacher in the class. Question number 5. Where did the Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from tsunami? When the tsunami hit the beach, Where did the Smith family and the other people, other tourists over there, they went to escape from the tsunami? They went to the third floor of the hotel and were saved. The hotel in which they were staying, they went and they took refuge in at the third floor of the hotel, and because of being at the third floor, they were saved by the tsunami. Now, question number 6, that is, how do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? When tsunami hit the Phuket, so, and Tilly was able to save and sense the coming danger and was able to save the life of herself, her family, and other tourists. So, when geography teacher came to know about all these things, that what Tilly had done in Phuket, what do you think the teacher must have felt? The teacher felt very pleased and satisfied. Teacher was very pleased. The feeling that teacher had was the teacher was very much pleased and also satisfied. Because why satisfied? Because whatever have been taught by her, at least she was satisfied that Tilly had taken understood everything nicely and also applied it in the real life and was able to do such a kind work. Yes. So next, comprehension check, page number 30, that is from the part 3. Answer the following questions. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Very few animals died. Not exact figure is given. Only it is said that in comparison to the people, very few animals died in the tsunami, because animals are able to sense the coming danger, and that is why they went to the safe places and were saved. Next, how many people and animals died in Yala National Park? कितने people और कितने animals की death हुई याला नेशनल पार्क में? 60 visitors were dead and 2 animals died in Yala National Park. Only 2 animals and 60 visitors. You can see the comparative figure of both the animals and people. The more number of people died and less number of animal died in Yala National Park. That is 60 visitors and 2 animals. Question number 3. What do people say about the elephant of Yala National Park? People said something about elephants of Yala National Park. What did they say? People say that the elephants ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. People say that the elephants ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. People say that the elephants, they ran from the beach. Elephants ran from the beach, that too an hour before, because they were able to understand and they were able to sense the coming approaching danger, and they left the beach before an hour before tsunami hit the coast. Question number 4. What did the dogs in Gele do? जो गेले में जो dogs थे ना, उन्होंने क्या किया? Yes, the dogs in the galley refused to go to the beach for their daily exercise. For the daily walk, daily exercise, the dogs used to go to the beach. But that day, the dogs refused to go. The dogs in the galley refused to go to the beach for their daily exercise because they too have sensed the approaching danger. Now comes the part 4, that is working with the text. Now these are little lengthy questions and lengthy answers, so understand it carefully. When he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reasons for your answer. Which sentence in the text tells you that Ignatius' family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? So, क्या जैसे ही इग्निशियस को पता चला, जैसे ही उसने अर्थक्वेक को फील किया, was he immediately worried about tsunami? Yes or no? If yes, you have to give the reason for your answer. And which sentence in the text tells us about that Ignatius की family के पास में enough time नहीं था so that they can discuss about the course of action after the tsunami struck so that they would have saved themselves. So the answer goes no, Ignatius was not immediately worried about the tsunami. He thought that it was just an earthquake, so he took the television off the table and put it on the ground. No, Ignatius was not immediately worried about the tsunami. He just thought that ये तो सिर्फ क्या है, एक earthquake ही है. ठीक है? So in order to save the things or themselves from the earthquake, what he did, उसने television उठाया table से and kept it on the ground so that कि because of the tremor or shaking of the earth कहीं वो television table से नीचे गिर के टूट ना जाए. And then the sentence which shows us that the family didn't have enough time to discuss about the course of action after the tsunami struck is, this sentence is as it is taken from the notebook, from your chapter, from your book. That is, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. This shows that दो बच्चे उनके दोनों ने अपने नाना का और अपने मामा का हाथ पकड़ा एंड ओपोजिट डायरेक्शन में इधर उधर वो दौड़ने लगे. सो अगर उनके पास में एक प्रॉपर डिस्कशन और प्रॉपर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन प्लान किया होता तो ये हसल एंड बसल क्रिएट नहीं होता. सो दिस लाइन shows that yes, they didn't have enough time so that they would have prepared their course of action to save themselves after the tsunami struck. Yes, question number 2. How are Meghna and Alma story similar? मेघना और अल्मा की स्टोरी सिमिलर कैसे थी? Both their stories were similar as they both were lucky. Both their story was similar. Why? Because they both were lucky in such a dreadful time. Meghna was carried away with her parents and other people. Meghna was carried away with her parents and other people, but she alone survived. But she was the alone one girl that survived. And she was washed ashore by a wave. And also, how she saved, that doesn't mean कि वो बस आराम से save हो गई, but she was also washed away by the wave. And Almas climbed onto a log of wood. और Almas ने क्या किया, वो एक log था wood का, उसके ऊपर climb किया. And when she opened her eyes, और जब उसने आंखें खोली ना, she found herself in hospital in Kamotra. और कमोत्रा नाम के एक प्लेस पे एक हॉस्पिटल के अंदर वो उसने अपने आप को पाया when she opened the eyes. So they both were saved by the fate and destiny, we can say. So they both were lucky and similar with each other in the luck way. Okay, now question number 3. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parent could have reacted to her behavior? क्या वो different way हो सकती थी जो टिल्ली का बहुत ही awkward सा behavior था, उसके parents उसको कैसे react करते? What would you have done if you were in their place? And what would you have done अगर आप उसके parents की place पे होते तो आप क्या करते? Tilly's parent didn't ignored her behavior. टिल्ली के parents ने उसके behavior को ignore नहीं किया. They were sure that something wrong must be going to happen. They were very sure that something or the other is wrong is going to happen. So they all left the beach and were saved. So that is why they all left the beach and they all were saved. And if I were in the place of Tilly's parent, I might not have believed her. और मैं अगर टिली के पेरेंट्स की प्लेस पे होते तो आई वुड नॉट हैव बिलीव्ड हर. आई माइट हैव स्कोल्डेड हर फॉर मेकिंग सच अ न्यूसेंस situation, and I must have, or I might have scolded her for making such a nonsense situation. Or but that would have been wrong अगर मैं ऐसा behave करती. What Tilly's parent, how they behaved was very beneficial for them, for Tilly and for the other tourist over there also. Question number 4. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think she would share it with, her parents or her geography teacher? टिली को जो अवार्ड मिला ना, अगर उस अवार्ड को किसी से शेयर करना पड़ता उसको, इफ इट वाज टू बी शेयर्ड विद एनीवन, सो हु डू यू थिंक वो उसको किसके साथ में शेयर करती, हर पेरेंट्स और हर ज्योग्राफी टीचर? इट इज वेरी ऑब्वियस, ये बिल्कुल ऑब्वियस सी बात है, अभी तक हम भी इतना समझ चुके हैं दैट टिलीज अवार्ड शुड बी शेयर्ड विद द ज्योग्राफी टीचर एंड हर पेरेंट्स कुड नॉट गेस द सुनामी वाज कमिंग. और टिली का जो अवार्ड है वो वेरी सिंपली, वेरी ऑब्वियसली इट इज क्लियर दैट वो शेयर होता किसके साथ में, उसके ज्योग्राफी टीचर के कारण, उनके साथ में, बिकॉज उन्हीं के कारण, उन्हीं के दिखाए हुए वीडियो के कारण आज टिली ने उसकी लाइफ, उसके पेरेंट्स की लाइफ एंड अदर टूरिस्ट की लाइफ को वहां पे सेव किया, बिकॉज उसके पेरेंट्स तो गेस भी नहीं कर पाते दैट सुनामी वाज कमिंग. Now, question number 5. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? And what are the two different ideas that you think about why so few animals were killed in tsunami? कि animals इतने कम क्यों मारे गए tsunami में? And which idea do you find more believable? दो ideas हैं, उसमें से आपको more believable कौन सा लगता है? Very few animals were killed in tsunami, we all know, and by this chapter we all came to know that very few animals were killed in the tsunami. The two different ideas about it are, the two different ideas about this statement are as follows. Look, as follows. What are the two ideas? First, they feel the tremor much before human do. जो एक वाइब्रेशंस होती है ना, अंडर अर्थ वाइब्रेशंस होती है, जो ट्रेमर होता है, जो शेकिंग ऑफ अर्थ होता है, उसको वो ह्यूमंस फील करते हैं, उससे बहुत पहले वो फील कर लेते हैं. दे डू फील देम बिफोर द ह्यूमंस do. What? The tremors. Second, the animal have sixth sense. They can guess the coming disaster and thus run away to safer places or higher grounds. Second idea, that the animals have the sixth sense, is more believable. They move fast to get over the crisis. So the animal, second idea is the animal have sixth sense and they can sense the coming danger before the humans do, and that is why they run away to safer places or higher grounds. So the idea which is more believable is the second idea, that animals have the sixth sense is more believable, and that is why they move fast to get over the crisis, and they were saved in much number than the as compared to the people. So this way we have taken the PDF of the chapter and all the questions are very well clear. So you will be provided with the PDF and you just go through the question answers, read them and try to understand them. Okay, so with this our chapter is complete and we will be meeting in our next class with a new topic, new chapter. Till then, just take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe and keep studying.